So, guys, yes, please.
Monica, hey, is that Bill?
Very good. Sajid,
Yeah,
Sajid,
Monica, do you remember me from school?
great.
I'm, I don't remember you. Did you study together?
Very good.
Monica, yes. And we lived in the same door too.
Great.
Oh, really? What floor do you live on?
I lived on a ninth floor. You lived on a seventh floor.
Great.
That's right. How do you know?
I would see you in the elevator sometimes.
Wonderful.
Uh, okay, I don't remember you.
I'm sorry. I don't remember you.
I'm
It's
sorry, I don't.
it's all right. It was a several year ago. Well,
Bill.
Well, anyway, it's nice to meet you again.
Hmm. Monica.
Monica, Monica sales, right?
Right?
ये बिल की डॉल लगता है. Monica says, right?
Monica sells, right?
Yes. See, so you do remember me?
Great.
Okay, so where do you live now?
I live in apartment.
In an apartment.
Do you live with your parents?
No, my parents moved to the country.
They
Great.
must be happy there.
Yes, they enjoyed very much.
So do you live
Wonderful.
alone?
No, I share the apartment with an old friend.
Really? A friend? He is a boyfriend?
It's your boyfriend.
No, she is an old friend from
It's an old
school.
from school. We've known each other
We
for
have known each other from many years.
How about your bills? Where do you live?
How about you, Bill? Where do you live?
Uh, do you like it there?
You, you should start from. Oh, I
I
live in
live in an
apartment myself.
apartment.
Oh, I live in an apartment by myself.
Do you like it there?
Yeah, but it's kind of noisy.
Oh, maybe you should complain with your neighbors.
Oh, no, no, no. I am the one who makes the noise.